dobrodošli u epizodu, danas ćemo da igramo Sister Location. Yeah, i to druga noć. Vratit ću se da pobedim u sakrivanju. Čekaj. Jel beše moram sve iz početka? Da, sve iz početka, fuck yeah!
Reflection on past mistakes. We're committed to creating a unique and fulfilling work experience. One part of that commitment is ensuring that you don't get tired of the voice that you're hearing right now. Using the keypad tool, it seems that you had some trouble with the keypad. I see what you were trying to type, and I will autocorrect it for you. Thank you for choosing Angsty Teen.
Ajde, obavit ću ovo sve brzo i vratit ću se na ono sranje nakon sam završio video. Zašto nisam prešao sve uvesti što sam prekinuo? Fuck. Jesam stigao? Da, stigao sam. Da, noć 2, ajde samo otvori ta vrata jebana.
The elevator stopped. You know the routine. Get out now or whatever. Stay here if you want.
Ne mi to ostane, ajde idem opet, jej.
So, funny story. A dead body was found in this vent once.
Da znam već to.
Not that funny, but it's a story. Okay, let's start with your nightly chores. You should check on Ballora and make sure she's on her stage, but whatever.
Whatever.
Huh. I guess Ballora has better things to do. Let's zap her. That should be fun.
Oh ne, ne mogu opet. Zašto sam opet tamo da igram? Opet! Opet! Opet!
Well, let's check on Funtime Foxy. Make sure he's ready for showtime tomorrow.
Great. 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 There seems to have been a problem with the voice synthesizer. Default settings have been restored. Please proceed through the vent ahead of you to Circus Baby's auditorium.
Da, idemo.
Motion trigger. Circus gallery vent.
Circus gallery vent.
Circus Baby had a busy day today. Let's check the light and make sure she's in proper working order.
Izvidite, ja se kuću nešto povrdu radim. Nema je, opet.
Oh, Circus Baby, we aren't here to play hide and seek. Let's encourage Baby to come out of hiding with a controlled shock. Let's try another controlled shock. There seems to be a power malfunction that is affecting our ability to properly motivate Baby. Please stand by while I reboot the system. I will be offline momentarily during this process. Various other systems may be offline as well, such as security doors, vent locks, and oxygen. Commencing system restart.
Ajde opet idemo kroz vent, završio.
Motion trigger. Entryway vent. Funtime Auditorium maintenance vent opened. Ballora Gallery maintenance vent opened.
I don't recognize you. You are new.
How did you say
This scenario, however, it's a strange thing to want to do, to come here. I'm curious what events would lead a person to want to spend their nights in a place like this, willingly.
Vrati se.
Maybe curiosity, maybe ignorance. There is a space under the desk. Someone before you crafted it into a hiding place, and it worked for him. I recommend that you hurry, though. You will be safe there. Just try not to make eye contact. It will be over soon. They will lose interest.
Znači, kaže da će nešto izgubiti volju da me ubije, šta već. I da ovako da se pravi da ih ne vidim. Tako kažeš. Jebaj. Niko nije ovdje, niko nije ovdje, prestanite gledate. Oh fuck, šta se dešava? Prestanite da kucate, jebo vas. To je bilo za malo. Oh fuck! Ozbiljno. Idem iz početka. Budi tih. Opet kažem, niko nije ovdje. Fuck you. Okej. Ne otvarajte. Ej. Samo drži koliko možeš i preživjet ćeš. I promisli da ne vidiš. Hvala ženski glasu, to mi je baš pomoglo. Već sam jednom umro. Vratit ću se, ja sekundu. opet! Samo prestanite da mi otvarate vrata! Zašto? To me ni malo ne plaše što mi vrestete o facu jebote! Ovog puta drži neću što možeš, drži klik. Drži, bez niča, samo drži. Uspio sam! Molim vas, nemojte više, nasadio mi je. Umro sam već 2 puta ili 3, nisam siguran.
When your guide comes back online, he is going to tell you that he was unsuccessful, that you must restart the system manually. He will then tell you to crawl through below a gallery as fast as you can to reach the breaker room. If you follow his instructions, you will die. Laura will not return to her stage anymore. She will catch you. The tower will be restored shortly. When you crawl through below a gallery, go slowly. She cannot see you and can only listen for your movement. When you hear her music become louder, she is growing near, listening for you. Wait and be still.
Thank you for your patience. It seems that the power system cannot be restarted automatically. You will need to restart the power system manually. Please return to the primary control module.
Motion triggered. Circus gallery vent.
You will now be required to crawl through the Ballora gallery using the vent to your left to reach the breaker room. It is recommended that you stay low to the ground and reach the other side as fast as possible as to not disturb Ballora. I will deactivate myself momentarily as to not create an auditory disturbance.
Ima još! Mislim da je to, zato što vratit ću se sljedeći put. Ubit ću vas! Ovo je sve ono sad bilo, fuck yeah.